Hello everybody, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to make TotChos. First thing I did was I preheat my oven, 350 degrees. And I took some seasoned shredded potatoes, potato tots, and I deep fried one batch already, and I put them in a cast iron skillet. Then I'm going to take some Kobe cheese and sprinkle over top. Take a handful. Okay, then I'm going to take some ranch dressing, and I made this ranch dressing from a packet I got from Walmart. And instead of following the packet on what it says, one cup of mayo and 1 cup of milk, I actually used 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 cup of mayo, and then I added some more onion salt, garlic salt, and parsley flakes. And it turned out really thick, and it's really good. It almost tastes like the restaurant. So now I'm going to add some chili, which I just got a can of chili with beans and warmed them up. Now I'll sprinkle those on top. So we're going to make 2 layers. A little bit more cheese over top of that. And got my other taters deep frying here. They're almost done. And then we'll put that over top of this, some more chili, some more cheese, and pop it in the oven. Almost done. We want to make sure that they're nice and crispy. Drain those a little bit. Shake off the excess oil. Put them around. Chili. Now, if you like more chili, you just have to give 2 cans instead of 1. There we go. I'll put some more cheese. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes, just so that cheese can all melt and get all in there. We'll set our timer, and we'll be back in 15. Okay, this is the finished product after 15 minutes. All the cheese is melted. So all I have to do is spin it up in a bowl, and then I'm going to take some more ranch dressing before I do it and just drizzle some more over top of it. And then enjoy. I hope you enjoy our TotChos. Please subscribe. This is TL Cooking.